Hello guys! The topic of today's video is Vzor-4 red dot and its operation in practice. We are at our friends at Kaliber shooting club. Many thanks to them for their help in organizing the shooting. My name is Anastasia. So, Vzor-4. 4-in-1 product. Red dot, visible laser, infrared laser, and infrared illuminator. I have already released the unboxing of this product at the channel. I'll leave a link in the description. Today I will focus on operation modes, switching between modes, adjusting the brightness in visible and infrared ranges. Now my SGS-202S rifle is equipped with Vzor-4 red dot paired with Klещ-1 flashlight. Thus, with the help of two products, we cover the entire range of our needs. We have a visible flashlight and a visible laser, an infrared illuminator and an infrared laser, and also a red dot. I connected KVD2 remote switch to Vzor-4. It allows you to control the product. I draw your attention that it controls visible and infrared lasers and infrared illuminator. The control of the red dot is carried out only from the body of the device. Also, the control of lasers and infrared illuminator can be carried out from the body of the device. And in addition to the remote switch that is installed now, it is possible to use other switches from the KVD line, including the KVD3/2P remote switch, with which you can control two products simultaneously. That is, control both Vzor-4 and Klещ-1. In this case, I didn't do that. Now a pistol rear part is installed on Klещ-1. But I propose to move from words to action and see how it looks in practice. Let's look at modes in visible range. I'll operate with the visible laser and the red dot. Switching between modes is carried out by the rotary switch on the back of the product. Everything to the right from the neutral position is visible modes. Everything to the left is infrared. Visible mode 1 is the green laser. You can turn on the product both by the remote switch and by the button located on the body. That is, I press the back button, I can turn it off and on again. You can adjust the brightness of the laser by the rotary wheel on the remote switch or use the buttons located on the back part of the body. Now I propose to shoot with the laser. But I also have a red dot. I will continue with the red dot. Now I propose to switch to night modes of operation. Let's look at the modes in infrared range. Operation is the same. Modes that are to the left of neutral. So, the first one is a laser in infrared range. Now it is at its maximum brightness. If necessary, the brightness can be lowered. Now it is at minimum brightness. And again, I return to maximum brightness. The next mode is infrared illuminator. Now the infrared illuminator is at maximum brightness. You can reduce it if necessary and increase it again. The third is an infrared illuminator plus a laser. You can also adjust the brightness and return back. Now I propose to shoot with the laser in infrared range. And now I'm shooting with a red dot. I turn on the illuminator to make it more convenient for you. Finished shooting. I just demonstrated the capabilities of Vzor-4. You can see it on our website en.zenitco.ru as well as on websites of official partners. The list of official partners is listed on en.zenitco.ru in Partners section. Press the like button if you liked the video. Thanks you for following our channel. If you have any questions, ask them in comments section. And I will see you soon. Goodbye.